Chris here from OPMC. If you've ever struggled with keeping your stock levels in sync between your WooCommerce store and your ERP, today's video is going to save you a lot of time and headaches. Today we're diving deep into inventory management, specifically how to integrate WooCommerce with Odoo to streamline your stock control, prevent overselling, and simplify fulfillment workflows. So let's get into it. For many e-commerce businesses, WooCommerce is the front end where all the orders come in. But when it comes to actually managing your stock, reordering products, or fulfilling shipments, most of that happens in your ERP like Odoo. And here's where problems creep in, and we don't want problems, right? Stock updates are delayed. Manual syncing leads to overselling. Warehouses don't match what's showing on your store. You end up reacting to problems instead of preventing them, right? Too much hassle for an e-com store owner. And this is why inventory syncing matters. You want to know, when is the stock running low? What's been sold across all channels? And how to avoid that dreaded out of stock email from an angry customer, right? This is the kind of things that we all wish for with our e-com site, right? So when you're gonna connect WooCommerce to Odoo using a robust integration like OPMCs, here's what happens behind the scenes. First of all, we've got two-way syncing. Inventory levels update automatically in both directions. So if a product is sold in WooCommerce, Odoo updates immediately. And if a stock is received or adjusted in Odoo, your store reflects it. We also have accurate fulfillment data. So Odoo handles fulfillment workflows, warehousing, and supplier info. All of this ties into your WooCommerce orders so your team can move faster without duplicating effort. There's also real-time decision making. You get real-time inventory insights to make smarter decisions about reordering, bundling, or discounting products based on real stock and not guesswork. Here's the kicker. Having an inventory in sync isn't just a nice to have. It's a profit driver. Fewer cancelled orders, less customer service overhead, no more emergency reordering, lower storage costs from better forecasting. And because Odoo is doing the heavy lifting on the back end, WooCommerce can stay fast and customer focused on the front end. So let's say you run a skincare brand. You've got WooCommerce handling your online sales and your warehouse tracks everything in Odoo. With the integration set up, a customer places an order on your site. Stock is immediately reduced in both systems and a fulfillment task is generated in Odoo as it should be. Your staff picks, packs, and ships all of this out. Customer's happy. End of story, right? Tracking info is automatically sent back to WooCommerce and the world is good. From the customer's point of view, it's a seamless experience, and for your business, it's automated, efficient, and scalable. So, if you're ready to make inventory headaches a thing of the past, our Odoo for WooCommerce integration makes it easy. No custom code, no complicated setup, just install, connect your Odoo instance and start syncing. And yes, it works with both Community and Enterprise editions. It's $149 per year and worth every cent if you've ever had to manually fix inventory mistakes. Well everyone, thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I'll be super happy for more practical e-commerce tips every week. If you have questions about how Odoo and WooCommerce work together, you can always drop us a line, contact us via our website, and we'll try and respond as quickly as possible. Until next time, keep everything running smoothly, and we'll see you in the future.